Hey guys, this is a short little video to give you an introduction to our CK12 online textbook to help you become familiar with it and some of the features that it has. One of the ways you can access our textbook is the link that's under the classwork tab on Google Classroom. That's one way. Or when we have reading assignments, there'll be something like under the unit heading that says reading section, whatever it happens to be. And if it's an assignment, go ahead and click on that. Since it looks a little bit different for me as a teacher, I'm not going to go that route. I'm just going to click on textbook up here to get right to the textbook. And it might be that you have to put in your Google login information perhaps in order to access this. So this is what it looks like on my screen now, and I'm going to zoom out a little bit so we can see a little bit more of the book. But in this section, it obviously is about the scope of chemistry, what it's about, and there's some things to read. And oftentimes there's a little video or something that you can watch to learn more about that particular section. There's always a summary at the end and a few review questions. And if you read this carefully, you should be able to answer the review questions. But what I'm even more interested in is that when you do this as an assignment after you read, you click on this green button down in the bottom right. Now mine says view practice, yours would say start practice. And I've done this one before, so I'm going to click on restart. And it's going to take you through some questions, and you have to get 10 questions correct. And after you get 10 questions correct, it'll tell you, oh, well done, or whatever it is that you happen to do. And it can give you some more information if you like, but I'm not interested in that right now. After you finish that, my button says assign, but I would like you to click on turn in, and that will let me know that you completed that section. I want to point out a couple other things as well for how you can navigate with the book. There's this button up here, which is the table of contents. So if you want to skip to a different section, you can. You can see how many chapters are in the book over here. I'll also point out this, I call it the waffle up here in the top right, has some different things on it. And those are different things that you can explore. Some of them might be helpful to you for completing assignments. And I think you'll have some features over here that are a little bit different from me as well, since some of this is like teacher stuff. But please check that out as some things that could be valuable to you. That about wraps it up. Please let me know if you have any questions.